Sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayo iWTV ngithi sesekhona mafowethu nayo le ndoda yakithi esahlanganisa idlo sengahlanganisanga amagaya ihlahlangani nenhliziyo zethu kanti ziyahlangana. Ngokusho njalo ngithi bafowethu sesiyayi goqa sithi gigigigici sithatha amakhamera siyavala sithatha yonke into ama-mic siyaswitcha sithi KB go back home come back tomorrow. Sengisho njalo ngithi bra KB siyavala uthini wena?
Mina ngithi ngiyavala, unfortunately sivala on a very controversial note.
Yeah.
Ngizohlatshwa ngamagama right now. Just a bit of a background. The first time I met Prof, I was a Muslim. And now 3 years later I am something else, and it's his fault. We ongususe emthandazweni ongifake meeting.
Yeah.
But anyway, my question to you is, the last time you made a video wa kancane wa attacker inyanga esihlanganisa imithi nento zeSuleiman, the other ones, not the conventional ones. Ngoba we know ukuthi there's a threat yokuthi some people will borrow from certain things bahlanganise nazo kanjani kanjani, and when you said you don't support that, awiyenzi lento le. I just wanted to find out, why are you not joining inyanga that are using African medicine and what I call imithi Suleiman? I know some Muslims are going to give me a call and fight with me, but some of you know what I mean.
Brakebi yazi
Ngatuke abantu.
yeah.
Okay.
Wazi mina Brakebi ngizothi so. Brakebi isintu sama Africa. Isintu sama Africa. Thina singaba besikhumbe simnyama. We believe in herbs, which is lot of people, around the world, they want our things, they are using our things. So how can people come from outside, like example China, Brazil, USA, UK, taking our African herbs, turn to a Western medicine? So, but ba change ntwe se nna ke a bua batho ba maSuleiman le bona ba berekisa ntho tsa rena, but se nna ke yo nyaka dithapo tsa maSuleiman or dithapo tsa batho ba ke tleme ka mo ke na le dithapo tsa ka nna ke a dideha. Oh ngiyalahleka mina mangibona umunye umuntu wangaphandle azothatha imithi kimi ayoyitshintsha ayenze yakhe. Kusho ukuthi le mithi yami strong, why mina ngisagijimisa ngiyolandelela into abantu laba abasebenzisa izinto zethu, but mina ngisengaqala ngithi ngifuna ukuread ama cards, ngifuna ukuread ngesandla phela. Those people bakwazi ukuhlola bathi sihlola ngale indlela zakho ukuthi uzosheshufe sibone esandleni. Mina ukuthi uzosheshufe ngikubheka so sengikubonile. I don't need ukuthi ngibheke isandla sakho, I don't need ukuthi ngenzeni. Ngibona kunesipoko ngithatha umuthi wami ngisha isipoko siyabaleka. Ngifuna inhlanhla ngithatha imithi yami ngisha. Akudingi ukuthi ngithi ngifuna iholy ash, I don't need ama oil lawa njalo bakhanyisa amazinto zakhona. So if wena udoubt amandla akho yabafi bakho, or you doubt your own medicine, sendena uthi mina no ngizokuthwalisa ngeSuleiman, uSuleiman wena. Because mina ngiwumuntu omnyama or ngiyinyanga ngidabula amandla. I must ask Dabulaman to give me power ngikwazi ukukusiza wena. Mina before ngulapha kufuna ngiqale ngibikele abakithi. Say if njengoba ngithwalisa ngeSuleiman or ngikusiza ngeSuleiman, ngikhuluma nabani? Because phela kunezinto ezithiwe zingahlangana Brakebi. AmaSuleiman, they don't believe in herbs esintwini, ba believe vele entweni yabo yaka Allah. ababhilivele entweni yakhe yabo Muhammad saka so wena ucommunicate kanjani no Muhammad ungangeni ku Muhammad manje 12 o'clock uMuhammad ukhuluma icathula nje manje nje today bayothandaza labantu la bayoshiya icathula lapha ngaphandle bageza inyawo bayenze yonke into amandla okwenza lento leyo wathatha ngo amandla yala analabafundisi ababanikile wena so mina ngathwalisa uthola umuntu seyaqakekile seyashaya lezi zinto zakhona fasene intambo zakhona faka nama rosette aboya yalabantu nangu uyaqakeka manje awusathola ukuthi uyisangoma uyindiya uyini yakela angisho ukuthi niyenza kabi but mina ngibona ngathi abantu balahlekele direction.
Okay, you just fell into my trap. You just fell into my trap.
No problem. Just hear you.
You're out of the country 4 to 5 times in a month.
Yeah.
Going to India, going to Egypt, going to Kenya, going to Uyolanda and because into London eventually ends into certain things. Okay, message the soul.
All right.
Let me move to the side just in case. Top game Kandangan.
All right. Let me ask. I want to answer Brakebi.
Let's not be hypocrites.
No, Brakebi. Remember, Mina. I travel all around the country. Ngibheka izinto abazenzayo. Angididwa naku mina ngifaka isikhumba nasi.
But you know that's not what I'm asking. That's not what I'm asking.
Ukuyofunda izinto ukuthi alright
ufunda kuphela win something.
Ngiyafunda. Ukufunda ukuthi Brakebi listen. Mangiyo eEgypt ngiya ngofika ngibheka ukuthi Egypt bayenza so. Mangiya eSpain
ngaphathanga lutho. Bro, just
Brakebi.
Ubuye ngaphathanga lutho. Angithi usitshela ukuthi ubuye ngaphathanga lutho na.
Ngiyaphatha phela ngizokhomba abantu.
Boye Saudi Arabia ubuye ngani?
Ngibuye ngani
Saudi Arabia?
Brakebi bangakhiphi imfihlo zabo.
Exactly. So now you're being hypocritical. Why don't you admit that there are certain things that you will borrow or maybe buy or whatever.
Hey, lo baba lo mina ngimazi ngizomdubu.
No, but what I'm saying is that at the end of the day, even if you say India or say yes, I understand that part where they say no, it's Tolos as the Indian, so but I mean at the end of the day, you can go to Egypt and bring something because you are when they are trying to avoid you're saying what you visit to observe, which is not.
No, I visit to learn
and come back with
the things and then to see if how these things works. Mbambile no baba lo. Hey, yena uyahlupha man uKP. Okay. Hey. Hayi ngibambile. No, uKP kahle bafowethu. Inkinga ungazela kakhulu. But into engifuna ukuyisho bafowethu, asingalahlekele i-direction. Ukuyofunda akusiqala nokuthatha ubone ukuthi isebenza njani. But KP kunomuntu ukuthi ugcina ama-beats yakhe ekumele awafaka ngasawafaka.
Okay.
Angisho ukuthi ku-wrong futhi but into bengizama ukuyibeka ukuthi no ungalahlekela indlela yakho because of wena sowubone indlela enye ukhohlwa abafu bakho ukuthi khohle ukuthi nawe lama-herbs lawo uma uye India uyathola ukuthi mawufika lapha i-ash le yenziwe ngani yenziwe ngenkulu imlilo wethu bawuthandazela bawuthandazela ngakhona abanamandla abo. And then okay siyenza kanjani siyenza so lento siyenza so and then iswen and then ngibone ukuthi no ihole ash ithi ngiyithenge and then ngibuke ukuthi okay lento mabayenze so then mangifika la ngithatha ihole ash le ngiyikhotha ngithatha lo wamlotha ngokhotha what is the difference and then sengithola ukuthi no leya ngithe ngiphethe ihik nakhotha ya stop ngathatha le ngakhotha yanga stop so ukuthatha uyofunda so that okay mangise India like manje angeke ngithi mangise sontweni ngithi ngifuna imithi so okay bathatha imithi le bayishisa bona ngendlela yabo they pray for it because of akusilo some will tell you ukuthi I reason ukuthi ngihambe you remember kunestory sokuthi iholy ash yese India it's abantu ukuze ngibone ngithatha amatsapha ngihamba it's because of some people will tell ukuthi ngezwe ukuthi hey wena phela lemlothe nikhothayo ama India ngisho mawushona bakushisa so I wanted to know exactly what they are doing nge-ashes le yini that's why ngitongithong ngihamba what is the meaning yale ntambo what is the meaning yale nto abayenza manje when they are praying for you because of they are using that ash and something uzoyizwa uthola ukuthi uphuka imina or uphuka ini kanti into yabo wena abayisebenzisayo ngifike ngifunde ngifike ngiyenze izinto zakhona ukuthi okay ngiyayi angiceki ukuthi Prakepi uyabona manje when we are as we Muslim they don't believe in other cultures they only believe in their cultures but you will find some sangoma say akasese isangoma sakuthola na ukuthi uyisangoma noma so umpriest wase in the sonto Islam and akakazi hangena futhi nalapha akakazi even to visit the place uyobona ukuthi ngempela or they pray for him or they give him a authority to basiza abantu ngalesilu isilumani zakhona mina ngibe khona
ngicela siva
so ngisho kona ukuthi bafowethu ngitholile uKP ngiyazithatha nami izinto zakho ngiyabonga
siyabonga okay guys let me just say there's a lot of confusion
but ngisazohlala phansi noKP
akufundise
yeah
ngiyabonga there's a lot of confusion about what is Islam whatever and
yeah.
I see inyanga zikhuluma ukuthi into ze-Islam kanti they are talking about Hindus and Sikhs and all those things so the level of confusion is too high I don't even want to talk about it ukuthi injani intambo we don't wear intambo in Islam let me just say that but
yeah.
I don't even want to go deep I'm just saying there's a high level of ignorance and misunderstanding apparently that amount siyabonga prof
hayi ngitholile namhlanje hayi